Back in 2019, I got this from Kartmania. It says winner, but I actually got it for being the best and fairest on track. Almost 5 years later, I am not the best and fairest on track, as you can see by the title. Now, before we go through the footage, I go out for practice one, first lap. All the cars behind me start spinning. I'm like, mate, can't handle these new Dunlop tyres, mate. Don't worry, Mr. Dusty's got it. Half a lap later, there's smoke coming into my car. I've got an oil leak. So what do? I think I'll just do one more lap. Then I come into the pits, the car's smoking, go into my garage, I turn the car off. Could be something small, just a little oil leak. No. The sump plug has come off the car. The oil is gouging out. It is covering the floor. We get a bucket. The bucket doesn't fit under the car. Get the jack, jack the car up. Mate, it was a health hazard. Anybody could have slipped and hit their head at this point. There was oil everywhere. We put in some fresh AC Delco oil. Yes, they're a proud sponsor. Thank you very much. Start the car with the sump plug in because it was a magnetic one. And the car starts fine, no issues. What I have done though is I've delayed the sessions by half an hour because of the mess on track, because I covered the whole track in oil basically. I've had competitors that are stuck in the gravel pit, so they're gonna get towed out. And I'm just thinking like, if the weekend has to start bad, it has to start bad. This is fine. It's happened, it's over. It's gonna be a good weekend from here. No, it wasn't. Some way. Are you serious? Okay, let's watch the footage from all 4 races. It's gonna get a bit funky now. All right, start of race 1. Decent start. Here we go, we're gonna get 1 position here. Second gear was really good. Always a nerve-wracking thing, race 1, but we just got the positions up. We're just grinding for it. Massive thanks to our Legends Club for coming on board this year with the left-hand board. Here's the accident. We're drafting. I'm gonna pause. This kid, he got a good draft on me. He's on the outside. I tried to defend the inside. It's not going to work. Before the braking zone at turn 1, he's got the leverage on me. If there's a chance to keep the position, keep the damn position. That's what's going in through my head. Now, this is the last lap. Now, we're fighting for P8, which is a really good position, but this is what happened. Let's just watch. Brake. And bang. And then bang. Oh my God. I want you to watch that again. Now, what was the mistake? The whole mistake was trying to keep position. It was stupid of me. I could have just drafted the kid, got him back, got P8, or I could have just stopped playing for sheep stations. But in my mind, I thought, mate, we've got enough space to brake, cover the position, and hold it. I tried telling it and it didn't work. Now, he's a good lad, he's a good friend of mine, one of my clients as well. Had to go to freaking hospital. They suspected he might have had a fractured rib. Luckily, he had no injuries, he was all good. It was a stupid thing. I shouldn't have tried to go for the position, and I'm sorry. Learn from my mistakes so you don't make the same mistakes on track, because I can tell you what, I'm like, what was I thinking? And I hate watching it. We make mistakes in racing. It is part of racing. That's how angry I am. Now on to race 2. I got a penalty. Look how far back. I'm in like P26. I'm a nobody now, and I'm gonna become a somebody. Look at that, overtake, main straight. Let's get another one done. You know how it feels to be a nobody? When you're at the back of the grid, mate, it's a disgusting feeling. Into turn 1, mate, I just sent it. I'm like, get all these positions. I was on the outside though, but turn 3, bang, another position made up. I'm hungry, I'm thirsty, I want more. There's Cass, lovely young lady there. Had to get on the inside. I was feeling it. You know what? It's kind of fun going from the back of the grid. Look at this, man. There's Aiden Morrison on the outside. Oh, that is what we call business. And there's Cruz. That's the kid that I hit. He nearly lost it and binned it on the outside there. I was back in front. But the parents were tense about that one. 1, 2, 3 to the 4. We were going back up the grid. This is the natural XL talent from Mr. Dusty here. And look at this double overtake. Double overtake. That is, I love it. I nearly got a semi from that. That was fantastic driving. As you can see, you get to a point where you start to get the faster guys in the grid. Now, obviously, every position you make up, it gets harder and harder to overtake. The grid's getting faster. But race 2 was good. We kind of just made our way back up. We fought for positions, but then it got shit. Aiden Norville, he lost it. I had the exit speed. I said, I'm gonna go to the inside. Hold the inside. Brake a little bit later. I broke just a little bit too much later. No. I swear, I thought I was one of the cleanest drivers. sometimes I just get in my head. And then I was on the inside, and he would have seen me level to level in his left mirror that I'd gone for the overtake. Problem was, I broke a little bit too late. I couldn't turn the car. Now, here's the worst part about that. That kid that I hit the second time, he had to go to hospital after the event. He actually did some damage to his wrist. I think he tore a ligament in his wrist. I'm like, what is going on here? That's 2 in a row. Back onto the video, here he is again. His hand's probably hurting like hell. Draft him on the straight, get the overtake done. There we go. That's the boss man there, that's me. And we finished the race. From P26, we finished in P15, I'm pretty sure. So I was pretty happy about that. We made up 11 spots. Mate, I'm a top 10 driver. I'm a top 10 driver on a good and bad day. So race 3, we're in P15. A new batch of people, we're on the run, second gear. Look at me go, man. No, this was bad. Turn 5, I think it is. Look. Got doored. I got doored. Now, to be fair, and there's 2 blokes running off there, it was chaos. Race 3 is always the most chaotic race. Everyone's just got their mindset in the go. Here comes the overtake. There's one at the second to last corner at the bend. And then we just kept going from here. We got the spots back up. Like, these guys, obviously, we had more pace on, but like, it was just a game of, there's the SMS car again. I think it's Jenkins, I think his name is. Safety car restart. Look how stupid this is. Look, what is going on? Everybody then just came running into each other. So obviously I had to avoid a car because I would have crashed into him. But the car in front of the red car is Aiden, who I hit in the last race. He ran straight into the back of Cruz, who's the kid that I hit in race 1. Mate, it was chaos. It was chaos. Those rare XL headlights and indicators, finito. Benito, gone. Anyway, safety car restart. I had a shocker, mate. I had a shocker. No decent draft into the first corner. Fletcher Lewis, the Aussie Star Search kid. Great lad. First ever race. The car did something weird. It like oversteers. You'll see in this video here. Here we go. Look, he oversteers, flicks it, bang, gone. It's Jim's mowing out there. The grass is getting mowed by Borman Turf's new star driver. Mate, I don't know what happened. He just flicked it. Poor kid. He's gone. Anyway, it was a bit loose there. The fast right-handers are so loose. I had a good race. It was good. It was clean. I didn't make any mistakes. The first one, I didn't make any mistakes. The car had way more damage on it though. So both sides of the car was scratched up and dented. I'm like, mate, Bathurst, hey? We're not ready for Bathurst. I don't watch my GoPro footage normally, but when I have a good race like race 4, mate, it is on. We're gonna play this now. This is a good race. I was still a little bit far back, but I could see the guys that I should have been with. I was like, I can see you in the distance. Got a mega start. I got positions up. There's Norville again. Turn 1, I played it safe. I'm a good boy now. I'm a Christian boy. I ain't gonna cause trouble. I got overtaken, totally fine. I'm respectful. So I start making up positions, kind of just nursing my way into it on the first lap. Back on the straight, there's Joel Johnson. All I'm saying about Joel Johnson is he's a good driver, but his engine is OP. I don't know, whatever engine Joel Johnson's got in his car, I want it, because it is so good. Everyone was bunched up, and when they're all bunched up, that's when you have to get going. You have to get into the battle pack. Because if you're not in the battle pack, you're going to lose them, and you're not going to fight for anything. So I was in that battle pack. There's Shane Nowicki, Aidan Norville, Jake Gallier, a close friend of mine, very talented young lad now. It was just good, man. Everyone was door to door. This is what XL racing is, man. At its peak, this is what it's all about. The racing is freaking close, and I'm finally racing like I should be. Everybody's on it. Main straight is going off. Double overtake. I said this is a double overtake. I lost the draft, but main straight, here we go. Shane Nowicki on my outside. I said, let's not do another Cruz Frost. Don't do it, don't do it. Now, I dive bomb it. Dive bomb into turn 1. I don't have enough braking capability, so I just hug the whole track. And then Shane's like this. This in XLs mean bump draft. And when someone tells you to bump draft, you do it because you want to work as a team to push back up to the grid. So I was ramming him. My car's already beaten up. I rammed that front bumper into him like I do on a Saturday night on Hindley Street, man. It was on. Second to last corner. Everybody can get this position right now. Jake's a bit wide. Haynes on the inside. These two are going to be going slow into the last corner, but I can hold my speed. Bump Jake. This is it, this is it. Go, 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 go. But I made a mistake. Listen, I left it in third gear for too long. I reckon if I put it in fourth just a little bit earlier and didn't redline it, I could have held that position, but that was a good race. That was like nearly a side-by-side finish, and I was like, yeah, cool. We're gonna get a trophy. I mean, we're not gonna win Bathurst, I know that for a fact, but I cannot wait. We make mistakes. I hope you guys learned something new. And by the way, XL Racing is peaking for 2024. It's looking good, the season's looking strong. The Dunlop Destiny program is gonna be awesome, which is like a national series now. I can't wait to see you all in Bathurst for you blokes and girls who are racing. We'll see you all at the mountain in under 3 weeks' time. It is coming quick. Like, subscribe for more fantastic motorsport content. Well, I think it's fantastic. I mean, it's better than my driving at least. And yeah, we'll see you then. Take care, legends.